Children, good morning. All of you take out your social study reader and we'll do lesson number 12, Great National Leaders and Their Achievement. Take out page number 86. 86, okay? We are doing a new lesson, Great National Leaders and Their Achievements. Now, what does great national leader means? Are great leaders of our country and their achievement, what all they have done after great this thing, what they have achieved great success for our country. So now there have been several national leaders in our country. They were great freedom fighters and patriots. Yes, freedom fighters, and they were patriot means for the country they used to fight. This means a person fighting for the country, supporting the country. Yes, so their devotion, determination, and dedication won us the invaluable gift of freedom. Yes, so this was invaluable gift. It was, we cannot count, it was of great value. We cannot say it, we cannot number it. It was invaluable gift of freedom. So we got freedom. Yes, so there have been several national leaders in our country, many leaders in our country. They were great freedom fighters, and patriot means the person who is supporting his country, fighting for his country, and who is very loyal to his country, and determination with great firmness, with great devotion, dedication, devotion. It means won us the invaluable gift of freedom. Though the list of these leaders is endless, yes, we are mentioning some of them. Now we had great leaders, but if you name them it is endless. So but here we will take name of some of the leaders who were really great, who have done a lot for the country, for the nation, and we got freedom because of them. Now this Mahatma Gandhi, here you see in this picture Mahatma Gandhi, we call his Mahatma Gandhi's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Gujarat. When was he born? 2nd October 1869 in Gujarat. After studying law, he became a barrister. After studying law, we become a lawyer. During those time, British time, the lawyers were called barrister. He went to South Africa as a lawyer. Yes, in 1893. When he went to South Africa as a lawyer in the year of 1893, he left South Africa in 1914, and he left Africa, South Africa in the year of 1914. Gandhiji believed in simple living and high thinking. Gandhiji, what did he believe in? Simple living. Live in a very simple way, not very hi-fi, and your thinking should be very high. Yes, thinking means when you think, when you speak, all that should be very of a good high level, but your living way should be very simple. He asked the people to fight for establishing the truth. Now he asked the people for what? To fight. To fight for establishing the truth, for to fight for a good cause, for establishing the truth. His method of struggle was called Satyagraha. What was this method called? Satyagraha. Why? Because he asked the people, fight, but fight for the establishing the truth. And his struggle was called Satyagraha. Gandhiji preached and practiced non-violence. See what he said, he practiced that only. He preached and practiced non-violence. Non-violence means peaceful. Whatever you do, whatever you fight, but it should be very peaceful and non-cooperation. In a very uh, peaceful moment, not too disturbing, not to kill anybody. So millions of people in every part of India participated in Satyagraha. So all the people participated in Satyagraha. Huh? So what is here? He asked the people to fight for establishing the truth, and his method was called Satyagraha, and he requested all the people, please come and join me, and many people joined him. Participated means They came together, they joined with him in Satyagraha. Many of them were beaten by lathis and sent to jail. Now, when they participated in this Satyagraha, what happened to those people? They were beaten by lathis and sent to jail. And by whom they were beaten? By the police. They were beaten by the lathis, the dandas, and they were sent to jail. Finally, the British had to leave the country. After this thing, what happened? Finally, Gandhiji was fighting so much for a non-violence, non-cooperation, satyagrah. Then what happened? British had to give up and they had to leave our country. India became independent on 15th August 1947. When did India become independence? 15th of August 1947, under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. Under whose leadership? Of Mahatma Gandhi. He gave us the message of non-violence or ahimsa. What message did Gandhiji give us? He gave us the message of non-violence. Non-violence means you have to fight very peacefully. You don't have to kill anybody. Everything should be done in a very peaceful way, in a very truthful way. He worked hard for the upliftment of backward people. Upliftment means he wanted to raise them up. He wanted to bring them up to a certain level, and he worked hard for the backward people. Now he wanted to encourage the backward people, uplift them, encourage them. Huh? So he wanted to remove untouchability. So what did untouchability means? Give them equal dignity. Sometimes we don't. Sometimes when we find people are during those days, people never used to touch them, or they never used to drink water from their hand, or have food in the same vessel, or make them sit on the same place. They were classified as untouchability. So these people, there was a difference between good people, the poor people, and the untouchable people. So there was no this thing. So he wanted to remove untouchability. Some people did not agree with his idea. Some people did not agree. They said, no, no, then we don't agree with you. One of them shot him. Now somebody shot him. Mahatma Gandhi is rightly called the father of the nation. What is Mahatma Gandhi called? Father of the nation. One of them shot him. Now someone shot him. He was assassinated. And who this thing shot him? Nathuram Godse. This is when you come to higher classes, you learn the name. Nathuram Godse shot him. He was assassinated. Yes, so Gandhi, I want you to learn on Gandhiji. Any topical this thing short now. You don't have to learn all. Some points learn whatever you feel which is easy for you. That way you learn. The name of Mahatma Gandhi was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. When was he born? Where, after studying, what did he do? Where did he go? All these little points, frame up of your own and learn from this. It will come as a short note. Okay, children? So, enough for now. It's a big list thing. So, you have to learn also. So, I'll leave you here only. We'll continue next time on the next topic. So have a good day and remain in and be safe.